This behavior. Don't do this behavior. The preview. The kid is eating a noodle.
You're done?
After that, he was now
Are you done or no?
done.
Are you done or no? Okay, stand.
Hmm.
Bebe.
After that, he was sitting.
Bebe, harap ka dito kasi mag-change na tayong diaper.
He wants to change a video,
Halika.
but he
Abe.
hates the video,
Remove na.
and he changed it to Roblox. And after that, he eats with the soup.
Abe, say. Oh, dito.
And after that, he was playing, and he was using a towel.
Another one.
He broke the TV,
Dos na pala.
and he smashed it.
Magkano yung Ang mahal yun, no? Yung colored pencil na sa Makati. Nasa Makati ba yun? Yung gusto ni Chen? Mahal yun, no?
There'll be errors. What will happen next? And he broke it and broke it. After that, and after that, he broke the TV. And after that, he belonged. And after that, the TV is shocked, and the TV is broken. And Papa is here. And after that, he knows it's his fault. And after that, he knows his fault. And after that, his dad asked the boy. And after that, there is error.
Here ka Chen, here.
Warning, we break stuff. If you have a problem with that, then you are in the wrong place. We do not email you for a living and a dirty page to destroy this building. Everyone talking to each other is destruction.
Tubig mo.
That's why don't do that behavior.
Mag-inom ka muna ng water. Water ka muna. Tama na yan. Papa.
Bye.